2020 Chevy High Country 6.2 liter. Beautiful. Oh, I love this color too. Truck, as you guys can see. High Country. We got something special done on this one. Got factory converters there and there. Then no dreaded third cat, as you guys can see. Thank God. Then what we did is put a MagnaFlow part number 12649, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, 24 inches long. He wanted it deep. He didn't want a lot of raspiness. We said we can hook you up, and so we did. Still got factory resonators on it. It comes factory dual from the factory. Factory dual from the factory. That's funny. Out the back, into some factory tips built into the bumper there and there. There's the gigantic muffler that was on it. As you guys can see, and it comes with that valve. Anytime you have the muffler shop cut it off, make sure they cut off this valve or it will rattle. So make sure you cut that on both sides. There it is after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and there'll be a link in the description. 2018 GMC Sierra Denali 6.2 liter supercharged truck. Really nice. We did a few things to it before. He brought it back. His neighbors complaining too loud, so we made it a little bit quieter for him, which we don't like to do, but it's okay. Here's got factory converters there and there. Third converter there. Then what we put on it is a MagnaFlow part number 12649. As you guys can see right there. To quieten it down for him, it's a 24-inch muffler. Then it's wide out. We did the duals way back on each side, there and there. There's the Y pipe all the way out the back into 4-inch roll tips there and there. This is the pipe we cut off. We straight piped it for him earlier, but it was just his neighbors complain. He works at night, so it was too loud. There it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What do you think? Exactly what you wanted? All right. So it's just deep, no raspiness, you know? Give it a gas a little bit higher. Again? Same style muffler that's going on yours. Do you like that? MagnaFlow. There's sound decibels. Rev it higher to 4,000. Oh, it's got the rev limiter on it, don't it? Yeah. So it's about 95. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Sierra Denali supercharged 6.2. Go ahead. Much better. If you would have went with a board, it would have been too quiet. Give it gas. The nice thing about MagnaFlow, when it's in idle, it's quiet, and then when you get on it, you hear it open up. Yeah, that's perfect. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again. Yeah, right at 100, so that's perfect. Got a nice deep idle to it too. Gotta keep your neighbors happy, man. Still sounds really good though. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. High Country 6.2 liter beast. Nice. I love it. Good choice. Hopefully he'll get on it a little bit for us. Give us a little show. See what that supercharger can do.